Hello guys, my name is Gabriel. Today I'll walk you through how to change your slide background in PowerPoint. Let's get started. I have my Office 365 opened with PowerPoint, and as you can see from my reports, all the backgrounds are the same, and I would want to change it to actually suit what the people I'm pitching or I'm reporting to would appreciate. Just go on one of the slides, right click, and just choose Format Background. And bingo, the dialog box open. You have the option to choose Solid Fill, and you just choose the color you want, and bingo, it just happens. Or you can also choose gradient. Just click on gradients. Then you have the various options to play around which type of gradient you want, even the color. There are some default ones. You can also play around the gradient types that you want, like how I'm doing now. I'm very comfortable with my gray color, which my people are going to like, so I take it. But let's see how we are going to deal with pictures or patterns. You just click it and now you can insert. You have the option to choose a file, stock image, or online, or even an icon. But let's see how I deal with my stock image from Microsoft. I'm just looking for, let's see how it goes. Then I have these options. Let's say I choose one and I can just click on insert, and bingo, it is just there, as simple as that, my people. But let's see how further we can deal with others where I also want to try and see and use a clipboard. Remember, I've clipped something already, so if you click on that clipboard, it just browns and it just comes there for you. But now I'm trying to use a picture from my machine, and it just came as simple as that. So you have the option to choose any type of background, picture or shape or icon that you want, even with gradients and patterns. Now, even the patterns, you still have the option to play around your foreground and your background. Assuming my company here deals with yellow and black. So I'm just trying to change my background to yellow and my foreground to black. And as simple. Interestingly, you can also apply all these features by just clicking apply to all, and all the background changes to one color if that is what you want. You don't have to go through the hassle. Let me try with my gray color for all. I just select on and I click on apply to all, and every slide in there, no matter the number, has been changed to my gray color. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more. Just hit the bell icon and like and share to other colleagues who might be interested in this. See you in our next class. My name is Gabriel. Bye-bye.